My God, this is heavenly. Imagine a popsicle that is hard on the outside with a rich coconut flavor, and the inside is a soft ice cream, cocoa flavor, and it has got peanut butter in it. Can you imagine the taste? Can you imagine how does it feel in your mouth when you are biting it? You can't. So the only way of knowing this is by making one for yourself. Here is one recipe today that I am going to make for you and of course for myself. A chocolate popsicle coated with coconut cream. Let's see how. If you wait till the end of the video, I will also provide some nutritional details and how long you can store this at your home before consuming it. We are scared that it will add a lot of calories and it is not good for health. How about I suggest you a ice cream that is healthy as well, apart from being tasty. Wouldn't you want to make one, especially so when it is easy? Come on, that's what we will discuss today. Add 3 ripe bananas. Add about 1/3 cup of cashews into the blender. And add 1/3 cup of peanut butter. There is an easy way of making peanut butter. You can watch my video on that. Around 1/3 cup of cocoa powder will do good. Few drops of French vanilla essence will be very nice to add. 2 tablespoons of honey or 4-5 soft dates will give the sweetener to the ice cream. Process the ingredients in a high-speed blender or a regular blender at your home until it is smooth. And don't forget to use the plunger as needed. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? Wait for a flour formation to form in the blender as it is processing, and then you know this is done. You can use popsicle molds such as this or paper cups, and similarly you can use ice cream sticks as well. Pour these into the molds and freeze them in the refrigerator until they are about hard to be picked up. But do not forget to thaw them for a couple of minutes so that you can easily remove them. I made this coconut cream by just blending desiccated coconut powder. You can coat the popsicles with the coconut cream, or you could also dip in it. Either way it is fine. Then place them on a parchment paper or butter paper and leave it in the freezer. And what is good about this particular recipe that we are making today? Ice creams provide lot of energy that is useful to create heat during winter times or any cold weather. Chocolate is a mood enhancer for sure, even though for shorter periods. And then peanuts help clear arteries and clear the blood. Coconut is among the healthiest of the fats. So enjoy your ice cream like a child. Tasting time. Here is the popsicle that I made for the first time. This has got an outer layer of coconut, as you can see, and inside this is peanut butter and cocoa powder based chocolate ice cream with banana. Let me see how does it taste. This is really awesome. The inside is very soft, the outside is brittle, so it breaks away a little more easily than I would prefer. But I think, if I had not left the popsicle outside a lot before I applied the coconut cream coating, this would have been equally hard, and then the entire thing would have been more appropriate for each other. But nevertheless, hey, the outer being hard and the inner being soft is very nice. Awesome. I got to finish this. It is so tasty. Wow. My God, this is heavenly. I mean, can you do something better from a health wise and taste wise? Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.